Zarko Jokic from Credit Fix Solutions. Credit Fix Solutions is a full-service credit repair company. We help finance and mortgage brokers increase productivity by removing items from a credit report that shouldn't be there in the first place. Credit Fix Solutions is proud to be part of today because we are all about speed, and that's what today's all about. But the lap times matter. The clock doesn't lie. The best driver will win today, and we hope to be one of those winners. There's a saying in business, if you're standing still, you're going backwards. And innovation is all about moving forward, improving the lives of everyday Australians, and producing better results with fewer resources. That's what innovation's all about. It's about making things better than they are today for a brighter future tomorrow. So Credit Fix Solutions is all about innovation. What we have brought to the market is a no-win, no-fee policy. What we do is we will always come back with a prompt response and accurate information to ensure that we can move forward, the client can move forward, and most importantly, the mortgage and finance broker can move forward with solid options and solutions for their clients. Innovation underpins everything we do, from the way we deal with our law firm, from the way we deal with the credit agencies, from the way we deal with the lenders and the funders. It's all about innovating and making sure that we're delivering more with less. Thanks for watching today. My name's Zarko Jokic from Credit Fix Solutions. Great to be with you today.